Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you have a good one so far. You can see that we have a lot here. It's about my empties to this point. So let's start. 2 eye creams, night eye cream and day cream. Nip Plus Fab Renew Retinol Fix Eye Treatment and Embryolisse Smoothing Eye Contour Care with Damask Rose Extract. Both are good. This one from Embryolisse promised to remove wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, everything. It didn't do it, obviously, but it was nice. It was very good under makeup and my makeup and under eyes looked great with this. This one, I don't know if it has been doing anything, but it's with retinol, so okay. Sun protection, L'Oreal Revitalift plus vitamin C, both good ingredients of sun protection, mineral and chemical and vitamin C. So this product will help not only protect from sun damage but also prevent it even more and revert some already done. 2 lotions from Maison, Fresh Toner, Optimum Sebum Care and Ole Henriksen Transform Dark Spot Toner with AHAs. Didn't like both of them. This one was nice, quite good for daytime, but it didn't care about my oil. I have quite oily T-zone, so I'm not going to repurchase it. And this one, it was nice smell, but nothing amazing. Ole Henriksen Transform Utopia 20% acid night treatment serum with high percentage of acids. I used the acids to remove bumps from my skin because I have oily skin and acids usually works well with my skin type, but this one it wasn't the case, fortunately. I noticed I've got even more like hard to remove bumps under skin, not red, but those like just your skin, but it's actually a bump. Lush sample of pink peppermint foot cream, like it. I'm going to purchase it because of smell. Herbalism cleanser, like it, very good in the morning if you have quite sensitive skin or you do not need a lot of cleanser, very aggressive cleanser to remove dirt from your skin. That's usually the case for everyone. So this one I like it. Lovely hand balm, very good, nice smell, nice feelings. I've noticed my skin, my hand skin was soft, hydrated, so I'm going to repurchase it. Another foot cream from Cafe Mimi with shea and papaya. Nice papaya smell, so fresh, fruity, amazing, love this. Lush Happy Joy conditioner for my long, dry, damaged hair ends. It was perfect. Also had amazing herbal smell, like you are somewhere in forest under the sun, something like this. In my opinion, I highly recommend to try. Kadali shower gel, the Desvins, liked it, like the smell. It's the less drying shower gel I've ever used. Kadali serum sauce thirst quenching serum. It's the best serum if you have dehydrated skin, if you need hydration, a little bit additional hydration for the skin. Highly recommend to try this one from Kadali sauce serum. It's amazing. Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, good cleansing, good amazing rose smell, highly recommend. Dove antiperspirant, the only one antiperspirant that will keep my under pads dry. miniature Felmy Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, a good moisturizer, but glow part of this is because of some glowy substance in this, so I used it for my neck and décolleté at the summer, and it was good. Institute Derm Cellular Broom Mist Hydra Booster. You can read on internet everything about this, about science behind this, but I've noticed that my skin got irritated if I use it every day for some period of time, so I'm not going to purchase it. You have to get rid of Under Eyes mascara from ABC Italy, because I've got eye infection and have got rid of this. Anyway, it's smudged, so no point to keep it. Got bad Biossance vegan lip balm. It didn't have any smell when it's fresh. Now it smells badly, so get rid of it. Didn't like it anyway. And finally, Lush Flyaway Hair, the only shampoo from Lush that helps me with volume of my hair, so my thin long hair. Hopefully it was interesting, and happy new year. Bye bye.